No, RDGT. Nothing actually. Nothing is actually. Good morning, folks. On live. So far, market looks pretty bare. ZVSA was 155 entry, but it was not up enough at 144, but it dropped 25 cents. Would have been nice. BNRG play from yesterday, up 6%. Why does it say 176? My scanners are way off. So now twice they have sold ZVSA. Third time it goes up. This is beyond fair value gap at this point. Couple of good plays overnights holding. BTCT is still holding, so that's good. Did you, AKS, made your average better on BTCT?
My average on BTCT.
I added 350. PJ asked me, and I don't know why he didn't add. He said I saw his comment. He was like, "I wish I had added." He asked me, "Is it place to add?" Somebody in the room asked. I'm not sure if it was PJ, but somebody asked in the room. There's a place to add on BTCT at 350. I posted the chart yesterday. We'll go over those later, but so. So guys, nothing going on this morning. Pretty empty, bare, whatever you want to call it. CMRX is, like I said, more like a merger. That pattern is a merger, so let me see what it says. Yep. Quotation resumption, use resumption. Acquire, yep. Jazz Pharmaceutical to acquire. Yep. Total cash valuation of 935 million. So 935 million. Wow, went from $5 to $8. And market cap is 757, so it has a little more room to go up. I think it will go up to 9. This CMRX. Nothing exceptional this morning.
Yeah, same like yesterday, only
Yeah.
2-3 tickers up.
Right. Hims and hers. Remember, I was short on this one. I said it was way overextended. I shorted this thing at, what is it, 54? 55? And, or 60 rather, on the earnings. 58, I think, 58. and look at from 72 all the way to 39. I'm doing pretty good with Nvidia, guys. I have 300 shares. I have options that I picked up at 110. I'll sell it when it gets to 128, 129. Nvidia, it's still holding. So today market should bounce. I mean, you know, there was nothing in the speech yesterday. Nothing about economy, nothing about cryptos. I was hoping he would mention something about cryptos. He didn't even
Yeah, I
mention.
thought so. It's gonna run like few days, crypto.
Yeah, that's on March 7th, but I was hoping that his union speech address to the state would have at least mentioned something about crypto and something about economy. All he just did was just revenge mode. Good morning, Greg. Good morning. Where is our buddy TRNR today? So there's our Nvidia still holding. That's about the only thing that's positive for me. Pola, I'm holding since yesterday. Remember, 270 was the entry. I have 6,700 shares over there. I will take it out right around. Again, I think I did 240 yesterday from 272, and I am in 6,000 shares at 67 from yesterday itself. So I'm holding that one. It should pay me out. It's $1,400. Something is going to work out okay. Well, it's 9%. And NVNI, somebody told me a couple of days ago to keep an eye on NVNI. Penny stock, don't have it. Why? Somebody told me to keep an eye on it, and I did not get it. When this morning to 49, up 19%, 44 million traded. Oops, come on, buddy. Envy and I should move, guys. The next day or two or today, it tried to move today from 25 to 39. So 44 million. It looks like it's in a value gap area. It's worth taking some position and holding it. And NBNI is at the rock bottom as well, so there got to be a bounce coming up one time here. We played this a few months ago. NBNI. Another one to keep an eye on is ATLX. ATLX. ATLX 1 hour. Downside. Nah, I don't think so. ATLX will probably go down more. ATLX likely to go down more. It's already broken its critical area of $7. BTAI guys, like I said, 360s is the area. And it should drop at least 309, if not 315. AKS, can you check if all the streams are working okay? Like at least.
Yep. Yeah. X and YouTube is working.
Okay, great. Sound is good and everything. I tried to do a recap yesterday, and I keep forgetting to turn on the sound. But we'll do recap this morning as well. So I was gonna start with since we have absolutely nothing going, we might as well recap. SYRS.
Yeah, something wrong with the app that you're using. Like sometimes.
No, it's not the app. I just forgot to turn on the mic. I'm doing it half of the time.
Oh, okay.
I get so excited about going live online. It's a new thing, so I forget to turn the knob on the mic volume. Because once I go away trading, I close it and then I forget to. It's too much thing. I just love trading.
Yeah.
I just enjoy trading. I am not a big fan of all these stuff. But if it helps people, as at least 1 hour, give it to them. Let's see.
77,000 versus 141,000 expected on the ADP non-farm employment change for February.
So 114,000. So that's actually more.
S&P future is dipping a bit here now.
Yeah, that's more. Market is gonna crush again. This is a bad news. I'm gonna take a couple hundred shares out at Nvidia right here. 200. Oops. Nvidia. 200 shares. 1740 to sell. Come on. Yeah, good job. Time to reload on Nvidia. I just made 7 points on that 5%. I held on nicely. I was like, but it's gonna give me a dip, so might as well take the dip. So Nvidia provides you good money, guys. All right, Nvidia provides you good money. Can't wait for the option. Option is a little bit longer, so option is for 125, 132, and 145. So I got plenty of time in them. Okay, time to take 5,500 shares. Will it do it? Oh my gosh. Let's do hardly being traded. 28,000 shares.
Which one?
This POLA holding since yesterday.
Oh, okay.
I did one round at 272 to 240. I'm trying to get 238 from 267. Meantime, BTI is actually doing good. BTAI. Wow, Nvidia is not going down. Oh, I'm sure there will be a dip here. I'm gonna go ahead and raise this. It's already
EYCU up to.
CYC. Here we go. So BTI 12%. What is that? BTCT dropped. CYCU.
Yeah, it's under $1 though. 38% up.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
CYCU.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's a new
So
stock.
CYCU is in good area already, and after this, there's a minor area at 103. Best area is at 145, guys. Best area is 140, 145. So I think 120s would be pretty good. 118s, 120s would be good area on CYCU. What's the news? CYCU.
Awarded 3 contracts representing up to $6 million in revenue over 6 years.
That's good to hear.
6 million over 6 years.
BTI is at 315. That's what I was saying earlier too. It would get to 315 BTI. 360 was the area, and it is at 315 right now as we speak, guys. 314. Look at that. It was expected to get there. 309 is also possible. 308, 309. How many people picked up Fubo in 260s, guys? Remember, this stock had gone down to 260. And it was more pickup on Fubo, right? In 260s, go back to your swing. Because it's up 15% since that ad. So if you go in the swing, there you go. 260, add 260 right there on Fubo. There's 309 on BTI. I told you guys that will get there. It is almost there. That's 15%. Thank you. Trade, oops, for pre-market. CYCU looks like has this 97 area, this one area. Next is 113 something I saw, and then 145. Nothing in between.
Yep. 145 would be nice, yeah.
remember when you add sizes, you don't hold on to your entire size on things. Like, so Fubo, for example, if you added 260, you know, at 3 plus, you want to take that size out. All you're doing is what? Making your average better, correct?
Yep.
Your initial entry is the size that you want to maintain. Like yesterday, BTCT, I added 353. Stock went to 347. I was like, oh my gosh. It came back to 450. Remember, 450, 460 was our original entry. So what I added, I cut it at 425. And I actually ended up making almost 15% on it. 17% on it. If you do 350 to 425, 75 cents on $4 is nearly 17 to 20%.
It's already 8:30, nothing.
Yeah, market is, I mean, the CMRX is the only one. Good morning, Mark. The market would drop a lot more, but I guess not. Thought Nvidia would drop. It didn't. So oh, come on. 26, 27, 28. So guys, take a look at TRNR while we're so slow and how much it has paid. Greg is going to feel really bad about this. So I got the charts from those days here. So in 5 days, take a look how TRNR gave us 360% win. In fact, and that is even slightly miscalculated. It's actually more, right? So this was TRNR Tuesday, March 4th, and we were long from 222, sold it at 3. And so that was an automatic 33%, 35%, right? So that was yesterday. Then take a look. This is from 26th. Okay. Meantime, we had played this a day before as well. Okay. A week before, like just one day before. So this is 4 day, and then there's one more. So you got 33%, and then look at this. Long 1, long 2, long 3, long 4. Then obviously 220 was always a rejection in the first 3 days. And then 220 has become support. So yesterday, if you saw, where did we go long? At 222. It went to 210, by the way, the stock. Held overnight, 222 average, and bang, sold it at 3. So 220 area, which was actually a resistance the first 3 days, became a support once it crossed 3 plus, and it worked out beautifully. So you got 123% gain. Sorry, Greg. I know, and you know, we kept talking about you. We kept saying, you know, how if I wish Greg was here, we would have recovered every bit and some more, like when making 400%, 400% in 4 days on this ticket, and it was just crazy. Mostly long, you know, so it wasn't about short. It was just buying more at the bottom and selling it. So one was the area to buy, and the news was so good, they had told their shareholders that they're going to make 50 million. They sent out a letter to their shareholders saying that forecast is 50 million, and from current 25 million. And then I think they made one more news. I don't remember, but it was really positive news besides that one. Outlook was good, and then earning was good. And then there was one more news. I can't remember. It was very positive, back to back. So this stock is going to go. Watch out. It's going to sneak up. If it breaks this 4 area, it's going to sneak into the 7s and 8s. But is it that, you know, 1 was the area to start with? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 longs. And then obviously we didn't short here. We should have, because day before also 220 was in a area to short. Well, we shorted, got 123%. Now take a look again, starting the next day, which is 27. Guess what? 142 we were long. 142 were long, and we sold it at 220. That's one of those days, but this is again long from 160, was sold at 190 for some really nice gain. Then you go long again, a market open. It pays up all the way to 220. 220, you short it, you take your profits, then you short it again, then you bail out. Okay, holds. So I think the next day we have 142. Okay, so I know now. Okay, so this is where we bailed out on our short, and we flipped it long overnight. Take a look right here. So this is 28th. So that was 27th. So we bailed out of our short and flipped long overnight. And we're gonna buy more at 120, but it was somewhere around 142, and all this we sold it for massive 45-50% gain, 50% gain at $2.20. Guess what? 220 short, dipped, but it broke. And the candles were coming in, so decided long, then reached a peak. We took a risk with the short. We're scared, take profit, bail out because it was looking to go up. Then once it dipped, it was okay, guys. You know, another couple of longs from this dip. We thought that the volume continued with it. So this was another 120%. So do your math. 80%, 120, that's 200, that's 123, that's 323. 323, guys, so far. And then you add this 120 to it. So that's crosses 400%. But what a play this was. This TRNR in 4 days. How many longs? It was mostly longs, guys. TCBP. But it was a great play. TCBP is a 50? Wow, I used to trade this thing at $6-7. TCBP. No, this is a different one. This is a new stock, TCBP. There's something similar. We used to trade TCBP, TCBX, something. Anyway. I'm gonna do one more over here, guys. This was CDZI yesterday. I don't know where it is right now. It's at 444. 444. It has hardly 4,000 or 500 shares traded. But again, 380 was our stop. 440 was our average. Did not hit our stop. This was in pre-market, so most of you guys would have seen us holding, and we were so close to losing about $3,000 or $3,200. We did not. Just want you to know that. Yesterday, CDZI had a 120 million contract, and it never moved. Look how they're gonna make it move. It's one of these days overnight. They're gonna make it move because we looked it up. Their 120 million is like 90 million, I think it was their market cap.
That's a lot of
Yeah, big
amount.
contract, big contract. Man, there's absolutely nothing going on, guys. TCBP, why is it saying 259?
TCBP reverse stock split January 7th,
Okay.
125 for 100.
Okay, it looks like good actually. TCBP. What's the news? Actually, we missed it here, guys. Oh boy, I was looking at the wrong stock.
Announces non-binding letter of intent to acquire commercial stage pharmaceutical company.
This is gone, guys. This is gone. This is gone. Oh my gosh. Well, I was explaining, and I think we could have taken 260 here. Oh yeah, absolutely 255, 267. That was the area on 1 hour. Daily is not good. Daily is not good till 369. This is gone, guys. This is, you want to chase 10%? This is gone. This reverse split is gone. I mean, it was in January, so I put it the wrong stock. Which one did I put it up? TCPB. Oh my God! Instead of TCBP, I put TC. Okay, then that's what he was talking about. And I was like, that scanner is not opening. SLXN. SLXN is coming up, guys. Yeah, this one is gone. TCBP is gone for all its money. SLXN, where is it? There's 159 from a couple days ago. In fact, yesterday. It never happened. So that would still be 34%. Next area is 166. 166 is really good. 167 is really good. 166 and 188 is really good. This DCBP is gone. For all its money, it's gone. Any pike is good. This is going in red. Oh boy, look at that. It's just absolutely going in red, this TCBP. Our first place should have been TCBP. I just misread that calculation. It's 35%. 52 is an area. I'm going to build a position here, guys. 30.
SLXN running.
Yes, that's the one I'm talking about. 167 is the area. 153 is a minor area. and then 167 is the area. 167. So I've gotten my token position in, but 167 is where I will add, like, jam it up. Okay. I want to buy higher, man. Come on, push it up.
I am into on that 151.
Nice, good average, guys. Holding pretty well. Should move up. Wow, TCBP would have been the sweet play, guys. It's in red. It is in red. TCBP is in red, guys. All right, guys. 10%. You guys got it?
Waiting for 34.
It's coming.
Yep, it's coming.
I've taken some profit at 130.